Hi everyone, I have a special recipe for you today. It's my Ackee and Saltfish burger. Growing up as a child in Jamaica, I always liked to write recipes. From the age of 10, I'm writing recipes. So this is one from my recipe book. And here is the ackee. I have grace in the tin and it's very delicious. And it don't mash up. This ackee is very firm in the tin. This is grace ackee. And this is saltfish, flour, a little breadcrumbs, so I don't use much flour. A little breadcrumbs, black pepper, and this is the burger buns, onion, assorted bell pepper, and scallion. I just add a teaspoon of black pepper, so now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Just mix it together. Add your saltfish, cooked flake saltfish. I soak the saltfish overnight, or you can soak it for about 8 hours. You know, to get the salt out, but if you like it with the salt, that's okay. But soak your saltfish and just mix. Add some breadcrumbs. Add your ackee. And then just mix the ackee in. I have this many times and it's very delicious. Add some flour.
Is that all-purpose?
And this is all-purpose flour. And just mix it in. Just enough to hold it. You're gonna fry it. Or you can grill it, whether you want to fry it or put it on the grill. You're just gonna shape it into the patties and just put some olive oil in your pan and just cook it. Cook the burger so you can put it between your bread. Or if you just want to eat it like that with some lettuce and tomato, it's very delicious. Just add some flour to your hand, because we're going to make the patties. And just make them. If you can make them small if you want them small, or you can make them large. About this size, Jeff?
A little flatter.
The flatter? Okay. Like that?
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. That's good.
Make it a little flatter.
Flatter?
Yeah.
Wow.
Maybe too chunky.
Okay.
Just flatten them some more.
Flatten some more?
Yeah.
You think it's too flat?
Uh-uh.
No? That's good?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's one. Just add a little flour to the plate so it don't stick to the plate. That's one. The patties are made, so we are going to use some olive oil to cook them. Just place it in the pot, and when it's golden on one side, you're going to put it on the other side. I just put 2 in the pot. This is how it's supposed to be golden, then you flip it over. Now we are going to make our sauce for the Ackee and Saltfish burger. So I'm going to add some mayonnaise. Some ketchup. Oh. Some ketchup. And a little black pepper to taste. Just a little black pepper to taste. That's good right there. I'm gonna mix it up. And this is gonna make the burger taste so good. You're gonna lick your finger. Finger licking sauce. Let's begin making this burger. Place the sauce on the bread. Just put it over the bread. Let me have a taste of this goodness. Let me have a taste. So creamy and delicious. So good. So good. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.